Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, guys. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Temu promo code. Okay, so it's really easy and simple. I'm going to show you how to do this step by step, guys, so you can save it big on your next order. First things first, you want to open up the Temu app or website. Okay, visit their website or just open the Temu app on your phone. Just log into your account or create a new one if you're actually new to the platform. Next, guys, what you need to do is I need you to browse through their products and just add your favorite items to your cart. And once you've picked everything you need, you basically want to go to your cart by tapping on the cart icon in the top right corner. Now, guys, actually time to apply the promo code. So what you're gonna be doing, guys, is you want to look for the enter promo code field on the checkout page. And if you don't see it immediately, guys, you want to just scroll down a little bit. It's usually right before the payment options. You want to basically type or paste, okay, your promo code in the box and click on apply. Okay, you will see the discount basically reflected in your total amount. Right, and make sure, guys, don't do any typos, because if the code doesn't work, you want to be double checking if you made any typos or if there's expiration dates. And finally, guys, you just want to go ahead and complete your payment by choosing your preferred payment method and just placing your order, guys. And then you can basically enjoy your savings and happy shopping, guys, on Team. So I hope this video helped you out, guys. If it did, go smash that like button and subscribe to Frequently Asked Questions. Turn on that bell notifications so I can see you guys in the next one.